This is the Boston Teachers Union Teacher Portfolio Project. My name is Mark Lonergan, and this is video number 8, How to Add and Delete Pages. We are no longer in the novice zone, so this video and all future videos are ones to watch if you want and need to, but you may be fine skipping them. For this video, we're going to talk about how to delete and add pages to your site, how to create links between pages, and how to rename a page from the template. Let's get started. The first one is deleting a page, and it's pretty easy. Everything we're going to be doing today is from the Pages on the side editing menu. Okay, let's say, for example, family engagement is not something that I'm doing very much of. Still may ask me about it in an interview, but I don't have anything I'm proud to talk about in my portfolio, so I've decided to leave it out. I can go to the Pages menu and pick Family Engagement, and then the 3 dots for more on the side. If I click those, you can see that one of the options is to delete that page. Farewell, Family Engagement. Other options from this same menu is to rename. So if instead of student achievement, if I wanted to be more specific, I could rename that by going to the properties option. And instead of student achievement, I could call it MCAS scores. Okay. Now the change will be made right here, but I would also want to go to my new MCAS scores page and make sure that the title at the top of the page was also the same. Now let's talk about adding pages. So if I wanted to add a page, let's say, for example, that in addition to having feedback, I want to have 2 types of feedback. I want to have feedback from students and from colleagues. And so I'm going to put each of those on a separate subpage. So the first thing I could do is go over here into the page menu and then press the plus button again. Okay, maybe I'll call this first one Feedback from Students. Just like that. I'll click Done. Uh-oh. This new page appeared, but see where it's nested? It is underneath work samples, and that's not where I want it. So I'm going to go to the new page, and I'm going to drag it so that it's nested underneath feedback. So it'll be a sub-page for the feedback page. So I just go click on it and grab it and drag it down. If I just want to change the order, that blue line will tell me what order things are in, moving it up or down in the line that it's currently in. And if I want it to be a sub-page, I just need to go and highlight the page that I'd like it to be connected to. In this case, I want this to be a sub-page of the feedback page. So I put a blue highlight around feedback and release. And now, if I go to my preview page, you can see within feedback, I've got an option that says feedback from students. Okay, let's do the same thing and make one that's feedback from colleagues. An easy way to do that is to grab the one I just did and duplicate it. I'm going to change the name. It's going to be called Feedback from Colleagues. Done. It ends up in the same place. I will make sure to change the name here. And now things should look like what I want them to. I've got work samples with a few pages, no more family engagement, and then feedback. I've got a couple different options there, and it's showing me that the one that's currently highlighted is the feedback from colleagues page. So that's about all you need to worry about for the Pages menu. Thanks for watching. We'll see you the next time.